Let's add some user pictures to our test server. Site administration, users, upload user pictures. We're going to drag and drop a zip file in there, and inside that zip file we're going to have a bunch of pictures, and the file names of the individual pictures are going to be the usernames. You've got a couple options here, but we're going to use username. And here are some random user pictures. And if you're setting up pictures for real Moodle users, you just want to make sure that the file name for each picture is the same as that user's username. And Moodle is going to match them right up. Well, let's go up one level in Windows Explorer and right-click on the folder that contains all those user pictures and zip that up. Then we'll drag and drop that zip file to upload user pictures. We're matching on username. And we're going to upload user pictures. And it looks like this one didn't work. That one didn't work. 2 errors. So all in all, pretty good. Let's go ahead and fix them. First off, A. Moran. I'm going to open the Site Administration tab in a new window and go to Users, Browse List of Users, and I'm going to hunt Abra Moran, Editor Profile. Oh, and it looks like we've got a comma there at the end of the last name, and that obviously caused a problem. I'll just scroll on down. So let's find her in that folder of random user pictures, and then we can drag her and drop her right here and update that profile. And the other problem user was O. Robbins. And we'll do the exact same thing for her. Let's go back and browse around a little bit. All right, there she is. Let's edit her profile. And she had the same sort of deal, extra comma there. You can hunt for her user picture and then drag that and drop it right in there and update her profile. I'll go back to users. Very simple, very easy. And now we've got user pictures.